Alright, let's try this sliding concept here. First off, I have a bundle of magnets right here. We can try it here from the aluminum onto the steel by simply just sliding it across. And let me straighten out the rails a little bit. And you can see it slides fairly easy right over to the other side. Here's another rail of magnets. Catches the steel and it slides over fairly easy. So now it's on the steel. I also have this tray of to load up with magnets right here. I will attempt to do that one magnet at a time. Start out with the North Pole right here, and I need some steel behind it right here. First magnet installed. Second magnet up against some steel. Right there. Second magnet installed. I'll hold this down here as I come in with a second set of magnets. Right there. And right there. Do another one. Right there. And right there. The last one. Right there. So now I have a bank of magnets sitting right there. So the idea with this set of strings here is that I can now get it done right. Oh, it's giving me trouble. Get it lined up here. Excuse me for a second. Got twisted. There. Get a knot back in here again. Right there. Just want to tie a knot very easily. Oh, that's not good. Let's see if that will hold it. Looks like I got it. So here we have strings across the magnets, just like that. I'll lay that down here. Just like this. And it's already engaging the steel. And with a little push and pull, I should be able to pull that right into place. Just like that. The forces on this magnet is quite high compared to the other set of magnets that I have. But there it is. So let's anticipate this has been cured, and I can undo my strings right here. Now they are undone. I can take the tray off by taking this rail off. Now there's nothing holding the rail in place, and the magnets will click a little bit because they're not cured, and you can see they're sitting right there. Of course, at this point I should be able to pull each string out and have the magnets set up against the glue. Let me get a good grip here. Right there. Of course, the friction associated with all this has to be worked out. That's why we were looking at those slip strings. They seem to be slipping a lot easier with low friction, making it a lot easier to slide the magnets up. But that's essentially the concept.